Every once in a while I run across something that is creative. It's a little different and something I might not have ever seen before. And that is exactly what we got here. A fence that is built with wood posts, and we've got wood rails connecting the wood posts together. And then they used rebar. Hard to imagine, but realistically it works here. This thing looks like, you know, um, you've got a fence that maybe the posts are going to rot out, but the rebar could be reused. Now, I do see one problem with this fence, and that is the fact that we have rebar, you know, sticking up the top. If someone ever jumped over this fence, they could get injured. You know, it wouldn't be a bad idea if you were going to build something like this to have a top rail. Your rail go a little higher and your rebar a little shorter, so that just in case someone ever did jump over this fence, they wouldn't impale themselves on the top of the fence. So maybe they built it for protection, but could you imagine someone jumping over the fence, you know, where the plants are, where you've got the plants growing over the top of the fence and they can't see the rebar, and someone runs up there, jumps over the fence, and you know, you're dealing with a lawsuit. And I don't really care how much money you have, something like this could be a problem. So again, great idea. Safety problem, yes. You know, when we build new things, get a little creative and stuff like that, we also need to make sure that these things are safe. And like I said, maybe the owner decided to build it for security, knowing that, you know, someone's going to think twice before jumping over the fence. But like I said, these planted areas where you have the plants growing over the fence could provide some with a false illusion. They jump over the fence and you've got a problem.